We have quite a few partnerships with mines that um, have transferred to underground operations. They were all surface quarries.
Hmm.
The area I deal with, you know, uh, I know of 8 different uh, open pits that now have gone underground. So they've gotten to their stripping limit. The
Okay. Yeah.
overburden just become too much to continue that way. So then they've developed underground. Um, and in that process, that's where and you get the same misconception with surface mines that are moving to an underground operation.
Yeah.
They think that all they got to do is buy a cap and a booster and blow some info, and they're ready to go.
Yeah.
But whenever you start looking at designs to protect their portals that they're putting in, their main hallways, their secondary escapeways, then they start realizing that there's a lot more technology that goes into that than what they thought originally. We have designed several different operations moving underground, and utilized a lot of our electronic caps, our tunnel stars, to get to
Yeah.
start that. Just because we can control the energy into the back and into the ribs a little better. Uh, Introduced pre-split material to them, in the underground where they were used to it in the surface and just assumed that whenever they started going underground, they wouldn't
They
need that.
wouldn't need it.
Yeah, but showed them very quickly, and that was some of the advent of using our QED. I use QED a good bit for those sort of designs. Just you can show the energy into the rib. Show how if you make certain changes to the pattern or to the product, how that affects the energy into the back into the ribs. So yeah, that whenever they start making that transition, then they start seeing the advantage of a lot of these programs that can be used.